A fruit seller had a total of 7,200 apples and oranges. He sold 1/3 of his apples and bought another 20 oranges. After that, the number of oranges he had was 1/6 the number of apples. How many more apples than oranges were there at first? Okay, so this problem sums here actually says that this fruit seller has a certain number of apples and orange, okay, followed by something happened, which what? He sold and also he buy. So the important thing we start from is the after that. In the end, he has the number, the orange and the apples is 1/6. So what is 1, what is 6? Over here, it will tells you that your orange, okay, has 1 unit, and your apples has 6 units. So we draw the model. Apples is 6 units, and your orange is 1 unit. Okay, so this is in the end. So we need to draw it backwards to tell you the original number of apples and oranges the fruit seller had at first. So from this statement here, let's look at the apples. Okay, he says that he sold 1/3. If you think it this way, if you sell, he says that it has 3 units and he sold 1 unit, therefore he left with 2. But since he left with 2 and the model here we have is 6, so it means 2 times 3. So this is actually one portion. Okay, this is one portion, this is another portion. So he sold 1, we have to add in that 3 more. Oh, so this tells you the original number now. It means he has 9 units of apples. Okay, so he bought another 20 oranges, which means this 20, there's a 20 here, okay, which is not needed, okay, at first, which is not calculated inside. So this number with the 9 units of apples is amount to 7,200. Let's think it this way. Because this is 1 unit, okay, without the 20, then it's harder to count. So what I will do is I'll include the 20, means I'll take it as the original amount 7,200, okay, of apples and orange, include this 20 here. So that will give you 7,220. This result in everything here, which is 10 units. So with this, we can write out 10 units, 7,220. 1 unit is 722. And now the question, they say how many more apples than oranges were there at first? That means before. So let's look out for orange first. Orange we have 722, but that's including a 20. So before that he didn't buy the 20. So that will give you 702. Okay, and as for the number of apples, what you have is actually 9 units at first. So 9 units is actually your 722 multiplied by 9. Okay, that will give you 6,498. And the question asks you how many more apples than oranges. So it will just be asking you for the difference. It will be 6,498 minus 702. So this will give you 5,796 as the answer. Did you get it correct? Okay, if not, you can continue to practice this question and to get yourself familiarized with more of our questions. Okay, thank you.